Testing has always been a critical part of software development, but it's also one of the most resource-intensive. AI is changing the game. One of the biggest advantages is faster and less technical execution. AI identifies redundant test cases and optimizes test suites by focusing on high-risk areas. This minimizes the number of tests while maintaining effectiveness and speeds up testing cycles. It also allows testers to create and maintain test cases with minimal coding, making automation accessible to a wider range of team members. AI also brings improved quality and early detection. It analyzes code, historical test data, and user behavior to generate comprehensive test cases automatically, including edge cases that manual methods often miss. And when UI elements or code change, AI updates test scripts on its own. No more broken XPaths or manual fixes. So, what AI tools make this possible? Let's look at 3 leaders in this space. There are platforms designed for end-to-end automation, others built for rapid test generation, and some that focus on self-healing scripts to keep tests stable even as your application evolves. In the full Udemy course, you can unlock the example tools behind these categories, along with an overview of what each one is best suited for. If you'd like access, check the description below for the link. Next, we'll walk through a real example using one of the test automation tools introduced earlier. Here's how it works. Start by creating test cases in plain English. For example, navigate to login page, enter username and password, click login. Test Sigma uses NLP to interpret these steps and convert them into executable scripts. You can also generate test cases automatically from inputs like user stories, prompts, Figma designs, or even screenshots. This saves hours of manual scripting and ensures coverage for all cases. AI continuously analyzes the test suite to suggest additional edge cases and improve test coverage, so you're not just automating, you're optimizing. Next, configure your tests, build your test plan, and set parameters, such as browsers, devices, and environments, without writing complex code. Test Sigma supports parallel execution, so you can run multiple tests at once. Then, let AI optimize your suite. It identifies redundancies and keeps your test cases lean and effective. Finally, run your tests and analyze the results. The tool provides detailed reports and highlights where self-healing was applied, such as fixing broken locators automatically. So your tests stay reliable even when the UI changes. This is how AI turns testing from a bottleneck into a strategic advantage. If your team could cut testing effort by, say, 30%, what would that mean for your product deployment pipeline?